Every person is unique, and they each have different ideas about what is attractive to them. Do you think attraction is entirely based on physical qualities? Of course, being physically attractive plays a big part in attracting other people as well. But when it comes to establishing a real deep connection, people are looking for a lot more than just abs, height, or white teeth. As I said, attraction is relative and people have different ideas about what is appealing to them. But there are certainly some common patterns that I'm going to cover in this video. You may make a few simple adjustments right now to make yourself appear more desirable to everyone. And to be honest, it has more to do with the confidence these activities will give you and less with how you actually look. Pay close attention until the end of this video to discover 7 easy ways to make yourself more attractive. Listen to people. Listen to what people have to say and be interested and curious about it. Close-minded people are not only ignorant, but they are also less attractive. People like to be heard, and it is the worst thing when you're talking to someone and they clearly don't listen to you. See if there is anything fascinating about it, anything you can learn from, or questions you can ask that you're interested in. And if you have no interest in a certain topic, try to turn the conversation into something that you're genuinely interested about. Pay attention to your body language when you're talking to people. Don't look away or cross your arms. Strong, direct eye contact, open body language, and the ability to engage and connect with others can all contribute to improve your overall attractiveness. Focus on your tone. Obviously, everyone has a natural tone of voice, which can already sound lovely to other people. However, it's good to know that if you try to focus a bit on the tone of your voice, you may improve your overall attractiveness significantly. Some people wouldn't believe this, but yes, even your voice tone can affect how attractive other people find you. According to studies, men find higher pitched voices in women more attractive because they sound more vibrant. Additionally, a deeper voice gives men a more manly air, which makes them more appealing to women because lower tones in the baritone range indicate increased levels of testosterone. There should be a fine balance in this, and it's important not to exaggerate. Wear glasses or change them. For those of us who are not a fan of wearing contact lenses or simply have good eyes, it is still something to consider. Glasses can be a way to make yourself look more attractive instantly, and this is especially true for women. Even if you are already wearing glasses, it is important to choose one based on your style and the shape of your face. For instance, rounder faces seem better when paired with more angular frames, since the angles help to balance the roundness. Round frames look fantastic on angular faces. It basically adds a little bit more symmetry to your face. It all comes down to trying multiple pairs and finding what works best for you. You will look more put together and attractive if you wear glasses that complement your face shape and style. Take care of yourself. Now, this might be obvious, but I mean, it's no wonder that your physical appearance influences how people look at you, since it's the first thing they see when they meet you. While not everyone should aim to be a bodybuilder or appear like a supermodel, but both men and women do look out for healthy partners. This includes basic things like grooming, having a decent haircut, staying in shape, and eating healthy. I think you're aware that if you are living an unhealthy life and your body fat is higher than it should be, you need to do something about it and pay more attention to what you eat, and also get in the gym if you can. The other thing that could help is to buy some new clothes or a fresh pair of shoes. Not only you will look good in them, but it will make you feel better about yourself, meaning your confidence will increase. The same goes for working out. As you see your body gradually improving, your self-esteem will grow just as much as your muscles. So it's basically a win-win situation. Choose a signature scent. According to research, there is a powerful correlation between attraction and smell. Although smell is not the only component, but it is one of the most significant ones that can subtly affect someone's attraction to another. Now, I'm not suggesting that you spray heavy cologne all over your body. The result would be the exact opposite. So, if you have a good quality perfume, using a little on the neck, chest and wrist will do the job perfectly. But there is nothing like it if you can choose a smell that fits your personality. Choose one perfume that you like and stick to it, so people would recognize you based on your scent. Your confidence will shine through in both your walk and your talk if you wear a scent that you truly enjoy. Hang out with people. Do you know about the cheerleading effect? It's basically a cognitive bias that causes individuals to be perceived as more beautiful when they are surrounded with others. People have a tendency to average out looks in groups, which makes even the less attractive members appear more attractive. The truth is that ordinary faces are initially more appealing and attractive because they suggest a diverse gene pool. People also like to see that you are social and easygoing. It will make them feel better about you, thus making you more attractive. Be positive. Just think about it. Do you like to be around someone who is having a negative mindset and is always complaining about everything, bringing your mood down and all that? Probably you don't, right? People love to spend time with positive people because having a positive attitude simply makes you feel better about life in general. Positive people are energetic. They enjoy doing things, even the small things. They chat with people for fun rather than to impress them. They have their own ideas and ambitions. They don't worry about other negative people, and they don't complain about small problems because they simply don't care about them. They have their own lives to live and they enjoy it to the fullest without worrying for a second about things they have no control over. You will be immediately more attractive if you are smiling at everyone and having fun. People will be able to tell that you are having a blast. If you found value in this video, please smash that like button and consider subscribing.